All right.
All week, you have been, without a doubt, the most popular player that we have had on this court. It's been a phenomenal response from everybody. What does that mean to you?
You know, you can see, no, makikita mo naman doon sa, talagang the most popular, no? Sabi ng, you are the most,
Without a doubt, the most popular player.
without the doubt, walang duda, no? Without the doubt means walang duda, without the doubt.
That we have had on this court.
We have yung court na ibig sabihin nila kahit na nung araw pa ikaw talaga yung ibig sabihin nun we have, no?
Without a doubt, the most popular player that we have had on this court.
We have had. Ano ibig sabihin ng we have had? 'Di ba kasama yung past tense nun, 'di ba? We have had, eh. No? Sa lahat ng mga players doon, siya pinaka-popular.
But it's been a phenomenal response from everybody. What does that mean to you?
Ayan, no?
She hasn't dropped a set.
Nakita natin, no?
Anastasia
Talagang
has
matindi,
been
no?
well beaten.
Well beaten. Ayan, no?
Still a good showing from her.
Maraming fans si pangalan niya Naomi Osaka, eh. Malakas na player, number 1 to, eh. Naging number 1 na ito, eh. Ayan, no? Ayan po yung ating makikita niyo yung makikita niyo yung lakas ng kaliwa niya po, no? Yun, no? At saka kung mapapansin mo yung tirada ni Alex Ayala, may pectus. Pagka tumitira siya sa kanan, sa right-handed, dalawang kamay ang gamit niya, yung left at saka yung kanan. Pero pagka sa left siya na position yung bola, left lang yung ginagamit niya, pwede na. Pero pag sa kanan ng bola, dalawang kamay, kaya malakas pumalo. Parang Alex Bomba Ayala.
The DC
Ayan
dream
talaga.
is very much on for Alex
Ayan, no?
Ayala.
Sabi nga
Another sensation.
dito, ngayon lang nangyari sa kasaysayan ng tennis na naging maingay, eh. Na parang tinalo pa yung basketball court, eh, sa ingay ng mga fans, no? Ngayon lang talaga sensational na, eh.
Performance from the 21-year-old.
Ayan, no?
She
Nakita nyo yung nila, oh. Talagang respectful, no? Yung number 1, laki ng cut. Ang laki pala nitong Alex Osaka na to. Ay, si Naomi Osaka, ang laki ng braso, parang lalaki, no? Number 1 ho ito, malakas ho ito.
hasn't dropped a
Ayan, no?
set since the first round against Shang.
Katawan, no? Actually, to,
And now she's gone all the way to the
Japanese,
final.
Ay, taga-Haiti yan. Haiti. Negro, malalaki. Haiti, Japanese, kalahati.
It will be a first ever
Ayun, no?
500 final tomorrow.
Wow.
For Alex
Yan, no?
Ayala.
Talaga naman, no?
And look at what it
Talagang nakikita mo
Means to-
talaga, oh.
far too good
Wow,
today.
talaga, semifinals na parts. Ang laki pala ng pera dyan, mga pare, no? Ang laki ng pera. Ang laki nung kikitain mo pala dyan. Pagka umabot ka na sa mga ganyan, quarterfinals, palaki ng palaki, semifinals, finals, malaki.
The four-time Grand
Yun, no?
Slam champion.
Wow. No, talaga. Oh.
Jaw-dropping.
Nike ang dala niya ngayon, Nike yung
Brilliant from Ayala once again.
may BPI sa gilid sa Ayun, oh, kita nyo. Ang ganda ng picture niya dyan, oh. Kung makikita niyo yung Philippine flag, oh. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Alex Ayala, oh.
Has been well beaten.
Oh, well beaten, eh.
Still a good
Talaga.
showing from her.
Ciala, congratulations.
Yun,
Your
no?
first ever 500 WTA
Yun, no?
500 final.
Ako. Ganda. Yan po.
I've got so many things to talk to you about, but you were just looking up at that big board and watching the emotion between you and your coach and your own self. What does this moment mean to you?
Oof, I'm not sure yet. I think I'm still locked in. Like, I don't think it's over yet.
It's over. It's over.
Kasi nakakaano lang din, nakaka-emotional lang din, Ganon, di ba? Pinoy to, Pilipino to, guys, no? So, world, the world is watching, no? First time natin nagkaroon ng tennis player na, na sumikat sa buong mundo, no? Tinitingala, no? Talagang tindi.
One more match, I guess. But
Yung nag-interview nga sa kanya, yung si Brett Haver, talagang nagtagalog pa, eh. Talagang nag-aral pa siyang Tagalog, eh.
super happy.
Magtuturo na ako ng English, Tagalog, Bisaya.
think I played really well, and of course, such a meaningful match against a great player. So really
Number 1 si Naomi. Maraming fans din yun. Malakas na player yun.
happy to share the court with Naomi.
Yeah, can
Oh.
I ask you?
Ayan, no?
You had
Talaga
a
eh.
really lovely exchange there at the net. And also, you didn't show a lot of emotion when you won. Can you just take me into the mindset of what that meant to you to beat someone like her?
Yeah,
Parang wala siya masyadong emotion ngayon. Kasi yung minsan pag parang another day. Kasi yung tinalo niya nung nakaraan, guys. Kaya wala siya masyadong emotion. Kasi yung tinalo niya nung last day, yun po yung defending champion. Pag yun ang itinalo mo, ibig sabihin, talagang kaya mo nang talunin lahat ng mga player dyan. Kasi, yun nga yung defending champion eh. No? Kaya nga wala siya masyado emotion ngayon. Matalo ko man to, hindi naman siya ang defending champion. Pero number 1, malakas.
like I said, it's such an honor to share the court with her. But I think, you know, it's with, I guess, just the way I approached today's match, could never count her out, you know, and like I said, I had to be so locked in, and I made it a point to be so locked in, which is why until now I'm still in that mode of kind of competition. So I need time to let it sink in.
Pangalan niya dapat Alex Bomba Ayala. Yun pala yung tama no? Alex Bomba Ayala. Nakita natin yung palo niya, parang binobomba niya, may pectus. Marami yung pinanood na laban niya, guys. Pinepektusan niya Inaano niya, nilalagyan niya ng pectus. Malakas siya mag-pectus. Kaya pag tinira mo yung pectus, pagka malakas yung karga ng pectus ng kalaban mo, di tumira ng malakas na pectus. Pagka pinektusan mo yun, malamang hindi papasok sa net o kaya lalampas. Kaya pag malakas yung pectus ng kalaban, dapat swabe lang yung iaangat mo lang ng konting ganon, parallel lang. Babalik sa kanya yung pectus na yun. Oo, ganun
What
kalakas
about
ang
the
pectus.
support here?
Kapag malakas yung pectus ng kalaban, kailangan mo lang siya, i-over mo lang doon sa may wag mong sasabayan. Kasi pag sinabayan mo, unforced error.
All week.
Kailangan, mid-range lang yung palo mo. Parang ibabalik mo lang yung tennis ball sa kabila. Magagano mo lang, wag mong kalakasan yung palo, wag mong lalagyan ng pectus, mo lang siya. Babalik yung pectus sa kanya, may pectus pa rin yun. Ganun ang technique
All
yan.
week, you have been, without a doubt, the
Kasi
most
meron-
popular player that we have had on this court. It's been a phenomenal response from everybody. What does that mean to you, and how much did that help you today?
Yun, no?
It helped me a lot. I'm happy that you guys enjoyed the match, or at least it sounded like you did. I think there was a really good couple exchanges, which I think made it super exciting. And the level here in this tournament is really so high. We have the best of the best. So, you know, this tournament doesn't deserve anything than the best fans.
Wow.
The final, Jessica Bagula. She has won this tournament before. Many years ago, you played her last year, a phenomenal 3-set match in Miami. She just got you there.
Tinalo siya nun Si Piccola ba yun? No? Tinalo siya, malakas din player kasi yun
What can you
Mga
do?
kalaban natin dito mga Ukraine, mga ganun Russian, Poland, Czech Republic. Puro mga European kasi sa kanila yan Laro talaga nila yan. Meron sila palang yung munisipyo nila. Meron talaga silang mga playing field. Meron silang designated na mga tennis court. Tapos meron na sila mga player na nag-champion na. Kasi mga malalaki sila Pagpalo, mga malalaki yung katawan nila. Mga 6-footer, 5'9", 5'11", yung mga height nila Matatangkad. Kaya pagdating sa tennis, kaya di sila magaling. Sa lakas ng palo nila, matatalo ka talaga. Nagsisimula pa lang ang tennis. Pero ngayon, na yung Asia, medyo nag-evolve na rin, nagkakaroon na rin tayo ng mga tennis player, makukopo na rin natin yan kasi meron na tayong Alex Ayala. Meron na tayong, kumbaga meron na nag-set ng tempo Meron na tayong susundan, meron na tayong coach. Kumbaga may marunong nang magko-coach ng tennis sa mga bata magtuturuan ng mga tennis na ganyan, pasa saan ba't yung munisipyo natin, bawat munisipyo, magkakaroon ng mga tennis court? Yung mga basketball court, pwedeng gawin tennis court din naman yun eh. Lalagyan mo lang naman ng net yun. Naka-design naman yun sa volleyball, tennis, saka basketball.
Tomorrow to change that around.
Ayun.
I'll have to ask my coach.
Thank you for watching, guys.
He'll know best. No, I'm joking. But
Hindi, yung coach kasi nila, sinabi nga nung mga naaalaban din nila, na sobrang galing daw ng mga coach na coaching staff. Kaya nga sabi nila, wow, ang tindi ng mga coaching staff nila. Yun ang wala sa iba. Yung coaching staff ni Yala, ang laki ng adjustment kagad. Kaya nahirapan daw silang labanan nito kasi nagre-reinvent, yung defending champion yun ang nagsalita si Fernandez, yung Laila. Sabi niya, nag-iimbento siya ng mga shots dun sa mismong game. Kaya hindi kami makapag-adjust. They're very dangerous, sabi niyang ganon. Saka yung maganda yung team nila, yung mga coaching staff.
yeah, I think I just have to trust myself. I'm in the final for a reason. She is such an amazing player also for a reason. So I think it's going to be a really good match. Yeah.
Tennis fans, through to the final.
Yan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you all.